Are you homeowner or DIYer? You're planning to use extension leads outside in your garden? Stay with me, I have 5 safety tips for you. First safety tip: choose the right extension lead for your intent. First, this one is extension lead to use indoors. Second, this one is probably something which you're going to look for. 4 sockets, 25 meters, 13 amp fuse, thermal cutout. Second safety tip: please check extension lead, check the condition of the cable, just unwind it fully, and then start using it safely. Third safety tip: make sure that your extension lead is positioned properly and safely. So safety tip number 4: each extension reel has its own rating, power rating. This one, when it's on the reel, 720 watts. Unwinded is 3000 watts, which is 3 kilowatts, and it has 4 sockets. It's worth checking what's the power of actually devices we're going to use, and if they are exceeding the rating of the cable, it might overheat and might trip the breaker in your house, eventually electricity in your home. Tip number 5: when you stop using it, just unplug it, wind it back. Obviously, when it's plugged, it's hazard for your friends, for yourself, for family, for pets if you have any. Put it back on the reel, stuck it in your garage or in your shed, put it in a safe place. It will be ready for next time. See you in the next video.